This Christmas, we say thank you to the unsung heroes of manufacturing, who worked to keep production lines running through the worst of days, who picked and packed in isolation, met increased demand and kept us fed through the pandemic. The warriors who in summer ramped up production for the Christmas period, while others enjoyed the sun with their families. We say thank you to our own manufacturing team who moved mountains to install new equipment to keep up with increased demand. Thank you to all the champions of manufacturing around the world who helped us support and protect each other by placing masks on our faces, vaccines in our arms, and keeping toilet rolls on shelves. This global army of trusted and skilled superheroes who, when times were hard, kept going to keep everyone else going. This one's for you, manufacturers.